In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook Focused Inbox, which is a fantastic feature designed to help you filter and organize your emails more effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to manage your inbox smoothly by directing important messages to one tab and everything else to another. So let's get started. First, we need to open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by either opening the app on your desktop or visiting the Outlook website through your web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice several icons and options at the top right of your screen. One of the first things you should see is a sign-in option, so let's click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you're already signed in from a previous session, it will take you directly to your inbox, which is quite convenient, but if not, take a moment to enter your credentials so you can access your emails. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen again, where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button. Click on it to open a menu that will allow you to customize various aspects of your Outlook experience. It might be tempting to explore the many options, but for now we're going to focus on sorting your messages. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Sort Messages into Focused and Other. This is the key feature we're setting up today. Click on this option and you'll find it enables one of Outlook's most powerful features. Essentially, this feature sorts your incoming emails into two separate tabs: Focused, where you'll find emails that matter most, and Other, where everything else lives. After you've selected this option, it's crucial to remember to click on Save to ensure that your changes are applied. There's nothing worse than thinking you've completed your setup only to find out nothing has changed because you forgot to save, so don't skip this step. Now your Outlook inbox will be organized into Focused and Other tabs. You can now enjoy a cleaner and more efficient email experience by having your essential emails separated from the rest. This means you'll likely spend less time searching for important messages and more time responding to them or getting other work done. As we wrap up, remember that you can tweak these settings at any time by returning to your settings menu if you find that you need to adjust how things are sorted. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Outlook experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy